Pretty much starting today's video with some electrical work. As you guys can see right over here, I already started to split the harness in two. The reason that I'm doing this is because I want to relocate the harness. I want to bring the harness inside the cabin. It's going to be a lot cleaner, and also it's going to give us a lot more clearance and space to work on our top here. I'm planning to top this and also this side as well. Remember that I told you guys that I'm going to be planning on making a bolt-on bracket over here for my radiator. So yes, I'm planning to cut this out. Now look at this. This is on the middle of everything, so it's kind of uncomfortable to work with. So that was another reason that I want to, bring this whole thing and tuck it into the cabin. So what I'm doing here now is I pretty much started to split the harness in two, because there's no way that I could cut the chassis just to bring the harness out. So yeah, this is pretty straightforward. Make sure that you have your wire, whatever wire you're cutting, make sure that you have it marked up correctly with some masking tape. Make sure that they're labeled correctly on both sides. Pretty much after that, we're gonna solder all the wire together. You don't want to have a mismatched wire because that could cause an electrical problem into your car. Like I said, pretty straightforward. Just bring it inside the cabin, make sure that you put it back together the way it was, and you're good to go. It's gonna come out nice. It's just gonna take a lot of time and a lot of patience. Electrical is not my thing, but I'm learning how to do all this. Pretty cool stuff, So I have a fuse block here, distribution panels. I got some relays laying around. What I'm planning to do is I'm planning to do my own fuse panel. That's gonna be inside the car as well. It's gonna be pretty legit, pretty nice. As you guys know, race car style. Just received another part from Toyota. Now actually this will replace the 240sx fuel filter that I have. And this comes with the bracket. Look at how cool is it. Right? You could just bolt this into the chassis and call it for the day. Very nice. Now one thing about this, and this come with fittings, so you have to use fittings instead of like hoses. The reason that I'm using this filter is because next season I'm gonna start running braided lines. Now with this setup and also braiding lines, we don't have to worry about lines getting cut and whatnot, so it's gonna be pretty legit. I made a template here for you guys. Very nice, clean. I had laying around some 6 by 12 by 1.5, so that's the thread pitch for the filter if you guys decided to go this route. I think it's nice. It's safer and it looks a lot nicer. It looks more professional. That's what I think. Look, I'm missing the top one, but you guys get the idea. I'm gonna put the part number in the description. Feel free to check it out. I don't know, you never know, you want to do a clean swap, 1J or 2J. 2J use the same fuel filter, so this is for the Toyota Supra, 1996 and up. So here we go. So here's the harness split out. So here's the harness split out in two. Make sure that you have everything labeled correctly. Don't mess it up, you won't get it back. So pretty much now disconnect all the ground that you have onto the chassis. This one is the headlight, is already disconnected. I think this one go all the way up here. I have to pull this out. I hate this harness, man. So let me see this one, this big one. What is this big one? This big ones go to the headlight, which is this one. So let's unplug this, the headlight remote. And pretty much slide this big wire in here. Get it back. Oh, that's the headlight motor. That's what it is. There you go. Boom. I might have to extend this. I don't know. I might be running no light. Who knows? Headlight delete. Boom, man. This is gonna be sweet. Woo. Whole chunk of wire here. What the fuck? There you go. It's out of the way. Now on this side, I think I'll be able to slide that out maybe from this bushing here, and hopefully everything comes out. This wasn't too bad. Now the bad thing is putting everything back. That is gonna be a pain in the ass. I mean, there's no going back. I already cut it, so it looks good. Harness delete. See how much space we have to work on here? It's pretty awesome. This is the other headlights. I might have to disconnect this cutter or something. Place getting really dirty again. I remember at the beginning of the project was so clean and organized. Now everything is just everywhere now. Woo! Many hours later, turbo manifold's out. Put this on the side. And the turbo's out too. Just gotta unplug the oil drain. Bottom. Bottom. Shit. Alright. This one as well. Oh my god. I didn't want to get dirty today, man. Shit. Cut this a little bit. There it is. The old turbo's out. Alright, so here's pretty much the other side of the block without a turbo. Turbo's out. Whew. Damn. It took me quite a bit. It's a lot of work. Plays on the bearing. There's oil here around the compressor. This thing is definitely bad. Wastegate. This is the elbow that we're going to be replacing as well. Probably won't need this. And also here's the turbo manifold. This thing is pretty heavy, believe it or not. The wrap is still there. Wrapped up pretty good. You know, got eat up a little bit over here. That's nothing. This bolt, this last bolt took me like an hour. I'm not gonna lie. It was so hard to get in. I mean, it's easier if you have the motor out. But I'm just pulling it out, you know, because I wanna, you know, clean up everything before have the motor out, because like I said, I have limited space in here. Kind of sucks, but I just cleaned it up and become dirty again in less than an hour. That's crazy. Pretty much now just trying to put all the bolts back where they came from. Otherwise I would just end it up like losing them, and it's gonna be bad if I lose this, because I don't know where I'm gonna get this. Maybe from another JZ, but that ain't happening. That ain't happening.